Video about how to make your online quotes a bit more engaging for your customer. So giving them a bit of choice, giving them a bit of option, basically making them look at your quote more than anybody else's. And that's the name of the game, really, to make sure they engage with your quote as much as possible, to say, yep, okay, they've given a bit of a choice here and there. I could choose this, I could choose that, I could choose not to have this, but I could choose this instead. So I'm just going to go through the output. I'm not going to go through how I did it, because obviously I want engagement from you lot, just to say, okay, do you want me to take you through how I've done this? Because I went through some stuff with Medi and Ken yesterday, and they were quite pleased with what they sort of learned. But some of this stuff you may know already, but I know there is some stuff in here that I'm not sure that you would know yourself. So I'll just go through it. So I've just made a bit of a quote, and this is the order portal, yeah. So down here, right, you've got the normal review and select your options, yeah. So here I've put in a workstation package choice required. That's the name of the tab. When you make tabs in Sell, I've just named it choice required, so they actually know that there is a choice available for them when they open this accordion. So when I've gone in here and opened it, you can see that I've given them a laptop choice section. Yeah, so these are all different laptops, Asus, HP, and Dell. You can set whatever one you want to set first as a recommendation. So you can actually say, look, deselect these and select this one. Yeah, which is great. So I'll just go down before I get into the discount and stuff, and then down here you've got select your monitor. Again, exactly the same thing. You can have them select the most, the best one you think would do the job with this laptop, or you can select the cheapest one, or whatever you want to do. But I've got select your monitor. So these are just section headings to break up your quotes, so they know exactly what they're looking at. And then I've got down here accessory options. I'm not too sure if anybody knows about this, but there is a feature to put check boxes on, to say I don't want this, I want only the keyboard, or I don't want the keyboard, I just want some break fix support or whatever. Yeah, so you can have these deselected or selected. I would just keep them all selected, because it's just more money for you and more commission for you at the end of the day, right, for your figures. And then at the bottom, if they do actually select something or make a different choice, yeah, they must say update the options. And what this does, it refreshes the page, which it should do, and then they go back into it, and then obviously you can see the option is selected. Yeah, whatever options is selected for you. Okay, regarding the discount stuff as well, you can actually put some sort of discount in as well on top of your products. I'll quickly explain how to do this. Just bear with me a sec. So when you actually create the line item, yeah, you have a column called SSP. Put a figure in SSP, yeah. And then you will have a price modifier. Now, if you use the code L5N2, yeah, what that means is list price discount at 5%. With 2 being the banker's 2 rounded, if that makes sense, yeah. And then you'll have the discount amount column pop up, but I'm not too sure if anybody know how to change the actual columns. So that is one thing that you may not know how to do, which is another learning curve for everyone, sort of thing. But I did give it to Ken and Medi yesterday. And then you're able to label promotional comment, so you can say, look, this is a special monthly offer, or this only lasts 2 days, or whatever, just some engagement and scarcity to say you need to buy this product now. So you can put whatever you want in there. You're an Arsenal supporter or whatever, or this, you've had a bad day or whatever it is, yeah, you can put whatever you want in there. Do you know what I mean? If there is no discount, it'll just say 0. Yeah, I mean, you can put discount and put no comment. It's not a problem. So just to sort of end this off before it gets a bit too long, because I do waffle on a little bit, I just want to know from everyone if you would like me to go through what I've done here with regards to the discount amount, promotional comments, the different optional products that you can have, the section headers if need be, and all the rest of it, the check boxes to say, look, do you want this or do you want that one? Entirely up to them. And obviously how to switch this off yeah, and switch these radio buttons on and switch these off, because remember, if you're sending a quote, you don't want them to deselect something where you would deem it vital for them to have. So it's very important that these would be switched off, if that makes sense. Yeah, if you don't want them to have that choice of taking off that option, being able to switch that off is quite vital. So I need to sort of go through that room, but all the templates will have these features on it. Yeah, radio buttons and the deselect option. So if you do want me to show you how to either remove it, or how to keep it there, or just to be able just to turn it on and off when you go into your quote, let me know and I'll show you how to do that. All right, then I'm not gonna blabber on anymore. Oh yeah, just quickly. With regards to this, how you can't select this, so I was saying you just need to put some details in here and in here, and then this will go green, and then they'll be able to accept the order. Yeah, so if any customers come back to you about that, not a problem. You'll be able to sort them out about that as well. And if you have any more queries just about any of the quotes, just let me know. And if there is something that you want me to put on the side here for your customers, obviously relating to everybody's customer, just some information or anything like that, we can put some stuff in this order portal. I can do whatever I want with this page. So I'm just going to end the video there, and yeah, we'll talk again soon.